ladies, Becky here, down here in the corner. See me? I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the website and show you how to take advantage and unlock all those amazing customer deals and help you create your wish list. So as you can see, I've got the site pulled up here. This is what it looks like when you first pull it up. And to start up your account, if you go to sign up, which is up here in the top, near the top right, it says sign in, but there's create account right here for the customer portal. You can set that up very easily. But what we want to do is I want you to kind of watch how I maneuver the site because it might help you out, and how to make a wish list. So you're going to want to pick 7 items. The thing to know off the top is that you only have to pay full retail price for 2 of them, and they're going to be your least expensive items that you purchase. So we're going to start with earrings, just because I already know that we've got several pair of earrings that are under $30. So I went to this jewelry and drop-down box to earrings. And then here's a cool little thing. So over here at the right, where you see my mouse going round and round, it says newest first. Click that little down arrow and change the price to low to high. And you can do that under all the different categories. So you can find things if you want the lower or the higher price ones, you can sort that way. So you can see we've got several different kinds here. These are all 22. Then we go up to 26. So I am going to get a pair of Lana earrings, and I think I will get the black ones and add those to my cart. That's the first item. You can see the box pops up over here. I'm just going to close that out and go back and find my second pair of earrings. Maybe it'll go back. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to go forward because I know I want to get a pair of Whisper earrings. These things are gorgeous, coming silver and gold. So you can see they really catch the light there on your ears. So I'm going to get a silver pair. I'm going to add those to my cart. Now I'm going to come over here. See that black box turn to pink? I'm going to click that and view my cart. So I now have 2 items in my cart that total $48. No discounts. Right here it says current savings, 0. What it does say up here in pink, though, kind of watch for that dollar sign, is it says you're now qualified for 4 more items at half price. But my next goal is to get my cart to $90, because then I unlock some more goodness. And I'll tell you about that in a second. But our first goal right now is to just get it to $90. So I need $42 to turn that 48 into 90. If I use a half price, that means I can get a $84 item, right? $84 item. I'm not great at math, so correct me if I'm wrong. So I can get an $84 item because it's going to give it to me at half price. So I'm going to come down here to the bottom in the middle. You'll see that pink box. And I'm going to come in here where it says half price. And I'm going to go to bracelets. And you see this gorgeous fig bracelet right here? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the colors. Those are agate beads. Look at that. It's $84. Isn't that what I needed? So it makes it 42. Let's find out. See if I did my math right. So I added it to cart. Let's go view. And looky there, it hit exactly at $90. I don't do that often, but this was nice. It's like recorded and everything. So now we're at $90. So it says up here, I'm now qualified for 3 more items at half price. And look up here, it says I also unlocked free shipping, which saves me $9 right there. But what it doesn't tell me here, but that I know, and now you're going to know, is that you now qualify to get our customer bonus item, which means you can pick any item on our site up to $200 and only pay $30 for it. So let's go do that. The only way you can get that special pricing, though, is to come down to this little pink box down here, which says special offers. And see right here where it says customer bonus item, then in small print it says with $90 or more purchase. So come on, we're going to go there and let it load. And what I'm going to do is, oops, darn it, I was too quick with the clicking. All right, I'm going to go back to this newest first, and I'm going to go high to low on the price. So I want to see what we have here. I'm not sure this is everything. So instead, and if you know what you want, if you have your wish list already written out, then go up here to search, right up there, and you can type in the first 3 or 4 letters of what it's called, and it will bring it up. But I am going to go over here to the drop down and go to necklaces. And now I'm going to do this again. Instead of newest first, I'm going to go high to low in price. So the first few are over 200. Because remember, we can only go up to 200. So here we go. We have the CC necklace in the middle there with the pearls. It's $200, so we could get that for $30. We have the sandalwood necklace here that we could also $198. We can get it for $30. So you can see all these options here. This is one that I really want. I have the Duchess. Oh, it's lovely. All right, squirrel. But for today, I'm going to stick with the sandalwood. And just so you can see what it is I'm picking, look how pretty that is. It says trendy and beachy, handcrafted, hand-beaded glass beads, vegan suede cord. The beads range from hues of ivory, mocha, and peach. Anyway, it's beautiful. So up here, if you see that, it says sandalwood necklace, and then it has the $198 price tag crossed out, and it has $30. So I'm going to add that to my cart because that's a nice savings. Now it also turned brought this box up where it says redeem customer special for $30. So I'm going to view the cart, and sure enough, here it is at the bottom, $198 sandalwood necklace for only $30. Well, look over here. I still have 3 more half price items. So we're not done shopping. So I'm going to go here, and you don't have to do it this way. In fact, let me just show you right here. We can come clear over here to jewelry, go back to bracelets, and we can also sort here. But look, here's our wild bracelet, the Arias, but we're doing half price. So I want to get to a little bit lower price point. So what I'm going to do actually is go low to high and sort those out. So I could get this $28 Cherish bracelet for $14. The hazy bracelets they're $40, so you get them for $20. The Denalis are great. I have both colors. They're wonderful. $62, but you get it for $31. So what do I want? I think I want a Merlin bracelet. So I'm just going to right click and open that in a new tab. So it's right there for when I'm ready. What else do we have? Look at this fortune bracelet. Ooh, that's pretty. Vibes. This is gorgeous, ladies. What have we got? What have we got? Wow, so many things to choose from. It's hard to pick. All right. I know we've got, there's the Bradley. All right, let's take a look at this. Oops, this is our Merlin. I want the Merlin. $68. So I'm going to get it for $34. Just to show you. Here it is, half price, $34. Now let's see, what else do we want? I know I want those romance earrings. So let me type that in here. R-O-M-A. Romance. These things are gorgeous. Oh my heavens. Look at that. Let me get to the, there we go. We won't show it. All right, there. Isn't that pretty? $76. But I think with the half price, if I did the math right, $38. Let's see. Oh, nope, where'd it go? Yep, $38. There it is right there. So let's look. I still have one more half off item. What are we going to get this time? What do we want? How about another necklace? Let's see. Oh, I've been wearing the Presley necklace. This is the one that looks like a zipper. So I'm going to get that in silver. Instead of paying $72. Where are you? I'm paying $36. So right now, I am saving, so it costs $228 for all the items in my cart. I am saving $318. Now I'm going to pull up my calculator. I know you guys can't see it. I'm going to add that together. 228 plus 318 equals, so originally everything in my cart would have added up to $546. But I'm saving $318 just from unlocking all the customer specials and an extra $9 for shipping. So the one other thing that you want to know, of course you don't have to buy that many things, you can buy as many as you want. Just know that if you get more than 2, then you can start unlocking the deals. But there's something else I want to show you. So if you come down here back to that pink tab at the bottom, way over on the left is our sales section, and way over on the right is style drops. Now the style drops do not count towards the getting like the unlocking the free shipping and all that, because they're so ridiculously cheap already. So take a look at this. Get it to open up. Okay, here are these Breeze earrings. I've had a thing for these. I still haven't got them. These originally sold for $90. They're on sale for $20, but you had to have a $40 purchase to qualify for them. So we did that for sure in our cart. And I'm going to sort this from low to high because I want you to see some of the specials in here. Here's an Empowered charm for $8. Looks like what I would call a 4th of July bracelet for $8. These little mushroom earrings for $10. What does that say? My World is Dreaming for $10. Necklace, posies, all kinds of things. Look at this ring, $15. Was originally $204, is now $15. Now a lot of these things, well, this one has a pretty good range of size, but a lot of the items over here, like rings, they have limited sizes. Now let's go look at the latest sale items. So you're going to see a mix here, like the Breezy earrings, which if you pull this up, it'll tell you if they're only $20, but they have to be with a $40 purchase. So if you're looking at the sale items and that's all you're looking at, kind of watch out for that. But that's not necessarily true with everything. So our Victorian earrings, these were $82, are now $40. So you could come in and buy those $40 earrings and check out, because it does not have any qualifiers down here in the description that says that you have to spend $40 first. So that is basically it, ladies. But then you come back to your cart, figure out for sure what you want to do. You can click the different ways to pay. You can, I'm not sure if you guys have the option to do the share cart. Mine might be there because I'm a stylist, but I'm not sure. Somebody will have to let me know. But that's it. You check out from there. Sometimes you will see up here in this section, we'll have a deal of a day, the deal of the day listed. So always check for that, because usually they are a spend any amount of money and you can add it to your cart. For example, I got 6 pairs of earrings for $7 here a while back. Pretty awesome. So watch for those as well. And if you have any questions, please let me know. But I think that is it, and we're going to call it good. Again, give me any feedback if there's any ways I can improve this in the future.